Hello Sladjana, this is Aaron from Voss Motors and I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2009 Lexus RX350. It has just over 106,000 miles on it. The listing price is $11,888 plus HST and licensing. It is all black outside and all black leather interior. As you can see, we replaced the wheels with all new wheels. We also replaced the brakes with all new brakes. It comes fully certified and is very clean. This 4-door SUV comes with air conditioning, heating, all-wheel drive, and navigation on the inside. As you can see, for a 2009 model, it is in very good condition. The SUV is known for its dependability, reliability, the ease at which it drives with, and its ample trunk space and interior space. If you'd like to come into Voss Motors to take a closer look at this SUV, you can always come in. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213, and have a great day. Thank you for your time.